I've been fixing things out here for years, but this crack is new, and it's big.
If I don't seal this soon, the signal might cut out for good.
The sonic welder vibrates at just the right frequency to fuse metal atoms back together.
A perfect bond, molecule by molecule, just like I was programmed to do.
One down, but the array has several more panels, and time is running out.
That's more than I thought. The main conduit is leaking power fast.
I need to seal that leak before the whole system shuts down. The edges are too far apart. I need a different approach.
I'll use a focused sonic pulse to reshape the edges from a distance.
Almost there. Just a little more pressure. It's sealed, but the array signal is still weak. I need to check the main dish.
The dish is covered in micrometeorite impacts. This will take more than a quick fix. I'll start with the largest impact and work my way inward. Each impact needs a precise application of sonic energy to smooth out the metal. Slow and steady, let the vibrations do the work. One panel down. I can see the signal starting to stabilize. The signal is almost fully restored. Just a few more patches and we're done. All repairs complete. The array is better than new.
The signal is strong again. Someone out there is hearing it now. Another job done. The universe stays connected, one weld at a time.
Time to find the next machine in need. There's always more work in the cosmos.
Goodbye, array. Stay connected.